How do you keep a building safe and operations smooth? Access control maintenance is key to security and efficiency. Discover how eAuditor audits and inspections helps teams stay organized and prepared. Access control is a dynamic system, not just a locked door. Regular checks can prevent significant issues. Reduce risks by preventing break-ins and protecting sensitive areas. Avoid failures by catching equipment issues early. Stay compliant with safety regulations and build trust across your team. A facility manager shared a story about a door that irregularly beeped. Staff ignored it for weeks, revealing a major oversight. The reader was offline, recording no entries or alerts. While nothing happened, it highlighted the need for routine checks. Small checks can prevent big surprises. Effective maintenance involves simple routines. Check door hardware for smooth operation and damage. Ensure card readers and keypads are responsive and clear. Update access permissions regularly and verify alarms and alerts. Confirm backup systems and software logs are functional and up to date. A simple monthly check revealed a loose strike plate on a delivery door. The fix took 5 minutes but prevented a potential safety issue. Routine checks can be the difference between minor repairs and major incidents. Outdated permissions and loose hardware are preventable. Routine checks make the difference. eAuditor turns maintenance routines into reliable processes. Digital checklists can be created or customized. Inspectors capture photos and notes, providing evidence and clear communication. Smart scoring shows what passed or failed. Reports are generated instantly, highlighting areas needing attention. Access control maintenance keeps facilities safe and ready. eAuditor makes checks easy, fast, and consistent. Simple checks build strong security and confidence across your team.